In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add an Instagram feed and Stories widget to your Shopify store. Enhancing your store with social media content can be a great way to engage visitors and showcase your brand's vibrant community. So, let's dive straight into the process. First, let's navigate to the Shopify admin area. Once you're there, click on Apps. This is your gateway to various enhancements for your store. From here, you'll want to proceed to the Shopify App Store. This is where we can discover a variety of apps designed specifically for integrating Instagram feeds and stories into your online storefront. Within the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to type in terms such as Instagram feed or InstaFeed plus story. You'll find a range of apps in this category, each offering different features and functionalities. Take a few moments to browse through the options and choose the one that best aligns with your needs. Once you have found the right app, go ahead and click Install. After installing, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your chosen app. The next step is to connect your Instagram business account or public profile. Rest assured, this process is straightforward. You'll just need to follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. This is crucial, as it allows the app to pull content from your Instagram account. Now that your account is connected, it's time to select the content you want to display on your Shopify store. Whether it's your latest posts, captivating stories, highlights, or even curated posts by specific hashtags, the choice is yours. Tailor this decision to what you think will resonate most with your visitors and enhance their shopping experience. Once you've selected the content, focus on the layout. Popular choices include a grid style, slider format, or a story layout that mimics the Instagram experience. While configuring these settings, feel free to customize the styling to match your store's aesthetic. Consider adjustments to size, spacing, and possibly content filtering to ensure cohesion with your overall design. With everything set up, it's time to embed this widget onto your store. Most apps will provide you with an embed code or a widget section that you can directly insert. To do this, navigate back to your Shopify admin and select Online Store, then Themes, and click on Customize. Decide where you want this Instagram feed to appear. Common choices include the homepage, footer, or even product pages. Once you are in the correct section, add the widget provided by the app. This should be a simple drag-and-drop action, followed by positioning it to your liking. Finally, make sure you save your changes and preview the site. It's important to check how this new feature looks on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring a seamless and appealing user experience across the board. And there you have it. With these steps, you can enhance the visual appeal and interactivity of your Shopify store by integrating your Instagram presence directly into it.